Are you ready to ditch the real estate juggling act and finally achieve lead management zen? Today, we're unlocking the power of seamless integration by showing you exactly how to connect Kvcore with Follow Up Boss, creating a smooth lead nurturing workflow. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketplace tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is your hub for connecting Kvcore with other powerful tools. Next, use the search bar within the Marketplace to find the Follow Up Boss integration. It should appear as a dedicated tile. Click on the Follow Up Boss tile and then select the Install or Learn More option. This will take you to a page with more details about the integration. Take a moment to review the details of the integration to understand exactly what data will be synced between the two platforms. This usually includes leads, contacts, and communication history. Now, head over to your Follow Up Boss account in Follow Up Boss. Go to the admin section and then to the integrations page. Find Kvcore in the list of available integrations. Click on it to begin the connection process. Follow Up Boss will likely ask for your Kvcore API key or login credentials. You can usually find your API key within your Kvcore profile settings or the Marketplace integration page. Copy the API key from Kvcore. Be careful to copy the entire key accurately and paste it into the designated field in Follow Up Boss. Paste the API key into Follow Up Boss and click Connect or Authorize. Follow Up Boss will then verify the connection with Kvcore. Finally, configure the integration settings to your liking. This might include setting up lead routing rules, customizing data mapping, or specifying which lead sources to sync. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated Kvcore with Follow Up Boss, setting the stage for streamlined lead management and better client relationships.